We do a lot of roofing and other construction projects, but today we're going to talk about a really unique product that we've been using a lot of. It's a silicone-based product that actually gets applied to an existing roof. It can be on a damaged rubber roof, or it can be on a shingled roof that's flat as well. It can have a slight pitch to it, and you can also do this on metal roofs. This project that we're going to look at and we're going to walk through was an HOA-owned project. They had a limited budget and they were looking for options. What we did is we applied this silicone-based product, and now they've got a 15-year warranty on the roof, and they're going to spend, say, $26,000 instead of $126,000. With this product, there's absolutely no need to tear off and replace the weathered and existing roof. By recovering, you save on labor costs and avoid landfill expenses. Plus, your existing roof can be recovered without any interruption to your normal business operations. Recovering your roof is the responsible choice. By recovering your roof, you avoid waste-generating tear-offs, which impact landfills greatly. And the highly reflective glossy finish can help reduce energy costs greatly. Before we even begin this process, it's very important that we mask off all of the parapet walls, which we're doing here. And we'll actually mask off all the pipe jacks because we're going to run this product all the way to the top of these pipe jacks, and we want to make sure that it's a nice, clean, consistent application. First thing we need to do is start with a clean surface. As you can see here, the guys are actually power spraying the roof to get off all the loose debris and any loose particles. Next thing we need to do is seal and prime the surface. On an asphalt-based surface like the one we're looking at here, it's pretty much recommended to apply a coat of the sealer before we actually put our seam tape on there. And what that does is it'll encapsulate the oil that kind of exudes from these substrates, and it'll kind of trap it within that sealer. This last step, which is the application of the actual silicone coating, which is going to waterproof this roof, is obviously the most important. This step involves actually rolling on this coating. We'll roll it on nice and thick, and then it's going to dry, and it's actually activated by humidity, so it's good to have a little bit of humidity in the air. This will be rolled on basically over this entire roof. We'll work our way through here, and this can be used on a metal roof. This happens to be an asphalt roof base, which we're rolling it on, but it can be on metal, it can be on a rubber roof that's damaged. It can also be sprayed on for larger buildings with a more broad application. Energy Star warranty is available on this product, and on this particular roof we're using white because we don't want a lot of heat. So in areas like Colorado where it's very sunny, it's better to use more of a light product. This is actually coming on gray, and it'll look pretty much white when it's done and dry. The white, believe it or not, actually will resist any dirt pickup, and that's after years of exposure. Whether your roof is large or small or flat or sloped, Kraftwork Design can cover your roof with a fantastic silicone product that's proven and guaranteed for renewing your weathered roof. It can be applied to virtually any existing roof surface to create a seamless membrane that protects against permanent ponding water, ultraviolet light, and severe weather.